Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will create a complete form, and here we will use all the elements which are necessary to build a form. So start with HTML5 student form. Let's make an heading student information, and then form tag, and in the form tag let's write some text like first name, and the input colon text, enter. And here we will not use any name and ID right now. And a break line, and after first name we will ask last name, and the input type text, then break line, then date of birth, and here we will use input date. There are various input types available. And now for gender, we have two options: name, gender. And the text, male. And female. Let's add some courses for selection. Input type checkbox, and the name courses. And the first course is math. Then physics, and chemistry. Let's add a button here for saving the record with text save. Now let's check this. Right click the file and select reveal in Explorer. Double click the file, and here we have the form. Here you can see that the date of birth has a complete calendar. You can select date using year, month, and day. Let's add another selection, shift. Let's add two shifts here. First morning and second evening. Now let's check this in the browser. And here is the shift with available options. Let's remove this gender. And here we have a clean form. Let's add multiple to the select box. And here you can see that now we can select multiple shifts. When we fill our form and click the save button, here you can see that we have question mark and gender on. This is due to the fact that we have name here. And here you can see now the gender has. Let's add name to all of our fields. We have added name to all of our fields. Let's check this. Fill the complete form. And click the save button, and here you can see in the URL we have a lot of things after this question mark. Select this and copy this text and let's examine this. And here after question mark we have first name and the value, then last name and value, and date of birth and the value. It means that the name, it has key and value. Now let's transfer this form data to some other form. I'm giving the form name registerstudent.php. Let's fill the form. And when we click the save button, and here we can see all of the data in URL. Now let's change the method from get to post. And when we click the save button, here you can see that there is no such data. The data is now hidden. So that's the difference between get and post. Get shows all the data on the URL, while post does not show the data. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.